Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum. So, Imran, one of the most common questions or contentions that have been popping up regarding the 313 Real Men course is the price. People were saying, how do we know this isn't a scam? People charge for courses all the time and end up giving very little substance. How is this any different?
Alhamdulillah. Abu Bakr has a very good question. I'm going to answer it in three ways. The first way is that everything that I'm sharing with you is not fluff. This information, these principles, I've been living by them for a decade plus. And people have seen the kind of things that we've been able to accomplish over the last 10 years. The da'wah projects that went worldwide, Sunnah Match, a business, 5-star Umrah, and many other things that we've done behind closed doors. The second reason is because we've already been helping people in these areas. Brothers have been coming to us time and time again, and we've been helping them with regards to their businesses, their finances, their religion, their relationships. And now we realize we can just put it together in a program and help more people in a systematic way. And the third thing to give you that extra confidence and that boost to show you that this is something that's actually going to work is that not only am I looking at you saying I've done this 10 years ago or over the last 10 years, I'm going to do it with you right now. I'm going to demonstrate principles that I'm teaching you, but actually setting those goals and targets for myself, and Abu Bakr will do the same, and we're going to achieve them alongside you. So when I say to you Operation 6 Figures, we're going to show you how to aim towards setting up a business that's going to help you reach 6 figures. Guess what? I'm going to do the same, inshallah. I'm going to do the same, and I have complete conviction in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He's going to give me the tawfiq to do so, and I'm going to put the effort in and the hard work, and I'm going to share my journey step by step with you in the Telegram group where everyone else is going to share their progress as well. And I'm going to do the same for all of the other 5 areas. There's 5 areas altogether that we're going to be helping work on: their religion, their relationships, their mental health, physical health, and their finances. We're going to set really optimistic goals for all of that, inshallah ta'ala, and guess what? We're going to achieve them with the permission of Allah. So if we can do it, why can't you? If this was a scam, I would have just taught it to you, and I would have just benefited off the sign-ups and the registrations that come. But I'm actually going to do this alongside you, side by side. So having done it for 10 years plus, having been helping brothers do it for 10 years plus, and now doing it again for one more time alongside you, I think that inshallah ta'ala should be enough proof that this is stuff that actually works. So the spaces are now running low, registration's closing in 2 days, and next week Monday we're starting. So if you want to join 313 Real Men and you want to start changing life, click the link below and register ASAP so we can get the show on the road.